Freelance sounds like freedom. Until you're staring at your screen with zero clients and zero income. Everyone talks about quitting the 9 to 5, but no one tells you what happens after that. In this video, we're diving into a side of freelancing most people don't talk about. If you think freelancing means more money, more time, more freedom, I've got news for you. We're gonna break down why freelance isn't always the dream people sell you, and how to avoid the crash so many beginners face. Stay till the end because I'll share what actually saved my freelance career when it almost fell apart. When I first went freelance, I imagined myself drinking juice cocktails on a beautiful island, working 3 hours a day and turning down clients left and right. You know, the usual Instagram dream. Really? I spent the first month refreshing my Upwork profile every hour, praying someone would even click on it. I was free, yeah, free to panic about rent. And that's the trap. Freelancing gives you freedom, but without structure, support, or strategy, it's just chaos. Let's break it down. Time freedom? Sure, but only if you know how to manage it. Without deadlines or bosses, it's easy to drift, to waste time scrolling, tweaking your profile, and feeling productive but getting nowhere. Money freedom? Only if you have clients. In the beginning, there are no referrals, no repeat business. Every gig feels like a miracle, and every rejection feels personal. Creative freedom? You'll spend more time writing proposals and chasing invoices than actually doing the thing you love. And it gets worse. Here's the part no one warns you about: the first review. Until you get the first 5-star review, you're basically invisible. You can have the best skills and the niche portfolio. Doesn't matter. Clients are terrified of being your first. So what do? You lower your rate, not forever, just for the first client. You over-deliver, go all in. Think of that first job as your ticket in. You write a killer proposal that screams, "I'm new here, but I know my stuff." And when you land that job, treat it like gold. Because once you get one review, you will get 3. And with 3, you can charge double. That's when things start to click. Most freelancers quit before they ever get their first win. They think they're failing, but really, they're just not through the hard part yet. I almost gave up too. After a long break on Upwork, I stopped being visible. 3 months, no replies. My turning point was a $200 job that I nearly didn't apply for. I poured everything I had into that one project. The client left me a glowing review. 3 months later, I was booked solid. Not because of luck, because I pushed through the ugly beginning. Freelancing can be freedom, but not right away. It takes time, grief, and patience. The first review isn't just a rating. It's the key that unlocks your future career. If this helped you out, like this video and subscribe. It means a lot. This is a great motivation for me to create new videos. And if you're just starting out, grab my free guide in the description to build a freelance career the smart way.